Today we are going to see language and linguistics paper ma. As I told you earlier, yesterday onwards I have stopped the conversation English. One unit completed. So I have one topic pending in the first from the first unit in the language and linguistics, and this is the last topic we are going to see. Okay, girls. Importance of voice modulation. What is voice modulation? Here we'll see what is voice modulation. Modulation changes. Voice always modulates. We never use language or voice in a single tone. We keep on modulating, we keep on change our voice. So that is a main important aspect of voice. So in this topic we are going to see importance of voice modulation. So what is modulation? Voice modulation is nothing but how we have to deliver a speech and what are the things to be maintained during the voice modulation. One of the most important things while delivering a speech is confidence. We must have confidence. If we have confidence, we can modulate our voice tone as per the talk. And nothing reflects this better than your voice. Okay, girls. Only the confidence level reflects this better than your voice. Okay. Public speaking is one thing that gets a lot of people jittery, and almost everyone might have seen that one guy who completely froze up on stage and could not even speak one word. Girls, we have seen various persons on the stage who frozen on the stage, who froze, who cannot not even able to talk single word. If such situation has comes means there is no formal or there is no modulation in the voice. If I have confidence over my talk means I can talk very confidently and my voice will be modulatingly getting changed. So that is the importance of voice modulation. Voice modulation is one of the most important weapon. Voice modulation is the most important weapon. We use this weapon when we deliver our speech. Wherever it may be, in the formal talk or in the informal talk, wherever it may be, we can see the difference of voice modulation. We never speak in the same range of voice. We keep on changing, we keep on modulating the voice as per our confidence. So voice modulation is one of the most powerful weapon that you can have in your arsenal while delivering a speech. Arsenal means important. If we fail to stand before the audience with the confidence, without confidence, girls, I assure you, we can't talk anything about the content and the tone of the voice, modulation, and so on. This is the power that voice modulation commands over people. Voice modulation, it commands the people. It makes the people to listen your speech. If I talk in the same tone means they never get attracted towards my talk. When ups and downs, when goes with pitch and low pitch, high pitch and low pitch, then there will be certain audience will be listening to my talk. So that is the benefit, that is the modulation commands over people. Therefore, to become a master public speaker, if I want to become master public speaker, I must learn. Definitely, if I want to become a speaker, I must learn art of voice modulation. Okay. So people in power like politicians or notable public speakers have been known to make use of voice modulation. The routine speakers like politicians and the public speakers, they already know the tone of speaking. They know the modulation of speaking. So they will use this power. Next, girls, even they have dedicated speech coaches just to guide them. The speakers, they might have the guidance before they are facing the audience. They'll have such guidance how to deal the listeners. So here we have few tips. Here are few tips about voice modulation. Number 1, pitch. While delivering a speech, the pitch of your voice plays an important role. Pitch, level of the sound. Try to lower your voice slightly because due to microphones, when you are about to talk over the mic, you must control your voice. We should not shout over in the mic. Try to lower your voice slightly because due to microphones, shrill voices can cause a bit of annoyance. So, during in the microphones, by use of the microphones, the microphones shrill voices. It shrill the voices. It makes the voices louder. So when you are using the microphones, I must use my voice very slightly. Okay. So the pitch. Next one, speak slowly. In the voice modulation, speak slowly is another important thing we have to go ahead. Another thing to be kept in mind is to speak slowly. I should not rush with my point. I should not speak very fastly, or I should not run with my words. So I have to speak very slowly while delivering a speech. Speaking slowly helps get your point across to your audience. When you are speaking slowly, your audience will be clearly getting your points. Okay, girls. So, speaking slowly helps get your point across to your audience. So, whenever you're about to talk, you have to speak slowly. Then only your point will be reaching the audience very clearly. So remember to speak slowly as well as clearly. Okay, girls. So talk slowly as well as clearly. Stress on certain points. To add a bit of impact in your speech, to make your speech somewhat impact, it is advised to stress on certain powerful words. So we have to stress on certain words. Stress, a pass, a stop, a gentle move. Okay, it is advised to stress on certain powerful words. You can even vary the intensity of your voice to add a powerful impact. So when I do such manner of stress on certain words, it will be very easily noticed by the listeners. So they easily grab the attention. I can grab attention of the audience when I clearly stress on some words. It will be very helpful to grasp my audience. So these are the important 3 tips we have to follow when we are addressing the audience. The use of effective voice modulation can mean the difference between crowd pleasing speech and a boring speech. We can easily identify among the audience whether my speech was pleasing or boring speech. How can I get this attention? Number 1. It is easily noticed when I modulate my voice over. And it is not an easy task, Modulation in the voice, it is not an easy task. I must practice. I must clear with my point. I have to speak slowly. Then only voice modulation, it can be easy. You need to practice. You need to practice and practice even more. Unless or until without any proper practice of the talk, I cannot achieve the right voice modulation. So possibly to truly master this art, practice only makes to master this art. Which art? Voice modulation art. So focus on how you speak to people. I must be very focused on what I am going to speak. That is different. How I am going to speak. Okay? That is important. That shift in your pitch changes in your pitch than of your voice. If my voice is clearly modulating with the various changes, means you will be very interestedly listening to my talk. Next, another thing that you can do is to look at speeches of politicians. Listen to the politicians, famous orators, speakers, celebrities. We dare their speech and see how they speak, how they change their tone, how they modulate their pitch, etc. With sufficient practice, with a sufficient practice, they can deliver a prompt voice, the voice tone, in the voice modulation, and will be able to deliver a speech like a pro. So girls, these are the few importance of voice modulation. Voice modulation is nothing but showing some changes using various level of pitch, speaking slowly, speaking clearly, and stress on certain words are the important things we have to get know while we deliver a speech. So delivering a speech is more important than giving the modulation to the voice. Then only it will be easier to understand the content, as well as the audience can clearly listen to the speaker. Okay girls, I'll come with part 2.